Welcome to the video, everybody. This is day 3 of the largemouth bass bender. So let me just take you through the past couple days. Sunday, we boated 20 fish. That was day 1. Yesterday, day 2, real tough bite. Southeast, more easterly wind. So we couldn't get to the spots we wanted to because they were just getting hammered by wind on the north side of the lake. So that kind of sucked. We fished the south side of the lake. FWC sprayed all the hydrilla, so it's all dying off. So now the water on the south side of the lake by my mom's house is like chocolate milk. It's nasty. We can't get a bite. I can't find the fish. It sucks. I know they're there. I mean, it's the Harris Chain of Lakes. It's loaded with fish. I can't figure them out over here on the side of the lake. So today is day 3. It's gonna be me and my stepdad. I'm gonna do about a half a day of fishing. It's almost noon. He's gonna be on his way home. We're gonna be throwing jerk baits. I just went up to the tackle shop. I got my rod fixed. Got another reel spooled up. I'm gonna give this guy a gander. It's the 6 cents provoke. It's a jerk bait, so we'll see what happens. I threw a husky jerk in a perch color Sunday. I only caught 3, and then I caught one on a spinnerbait. My cousin caught 4 fish on a fluke, like a red fluke, and then my stepdad caught the rest of the 20 on a 6 cents provoke. Seems like that 6 cents provoke, again, I'll show you that. This one is a different color than he was throwing, just because I want to switch it up. This is the... Damn. Whatever, you guys get it. I'll read it to you. Electric reaction. Another thing we got in the bag. What do we got in the bag? From Booker's Bait and Tackle. We got some bitters. Bitters baits. We got some flukes and a watermelon red. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens today. Hopefully we can get on a 10-pounder.
I think this lose is going out on me. Hear that? Got one. Oh. There you go. He came up and smoked it. Yeah. Husky jerk. Little fluker. Oh, that's a pretty bass. Watermelon red fluke. He's super dope. 6 cents. All right. We caught one on a fluke, a speed vibe, and a jerk bait. And that dude out there has been catching them on a jerk bait, so 6 cents.
You hit it twice.
Fatty.
You hit it twice.
Yeah. Dude, they're so pretty out here, bro. Alright. Well, this guy's putting another clinic on. McAuliffe Daddy Outdoors. Alright, this man's still throwing the same bait. He's throwing this. Yeah. He's throwing this 6 cents provoke. I don't even know what color this is. It's dope. It's got scales on it. I was throwing this when I picked it up today. Nothing. Yeah, dude, that's solid fish.
Oh, I hope it's funny.
Oh, okay. Man, you got me scared there. I was like, yeah, at first I was like, I don't think he's that big, and then you're like, he's a big, and I'm like, well, you gotta reel it in. Number 8 on the day. 7 for Kevin. Dude, 6 cents. What's up?
You were moving the boat, right?
Huh?
You were moving the boat.
I was trying to get us out a little deeper because we're like off that drift pattern just a little bit. $0.06, number 8. Another one on the 6 cents. Oh, he's gonna shake. Yeah, that's a fat one. There's Chain Fatty on the jerk bait. Net worthy?
Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, he's a big one.
Hey, there you go. Let's go. It's what, 4 or 5?
Yes, sir.
Smoked it, huh? Dude, 6 cents. I'm about to switch over. Here, I'll get some pictures. Alright, just throw a measurement on them real quick.
19.
19 incher? Dude, let's go. Alright, let's get a release on them.
Hey. Smacked it.
Dude, let's go. Dude, I might have to throw jerk bait on. Dude, this area, bro.
Yeah. Yep, that's what you need to be doing tomorrow. You need to find them in the... Yeah, you need... They're shallow, dude. Over here, probably, because it's so cold.
Dude, flipping up in the
You need to do that
little
tomorrow.
pool.
I would do that tomorrow if you don't want to go all the way over there.
Well, I can't. Tomorrow's 17-mile-per-hour winds out of the southwest.
Yeah, I'd stay over here and see if you can do that, or throw a horny toad in the morning.
Speed worm, dude. I'll come out here all day, pick apart these grass. Dude, he was sitting right in
Real
that pool.
shallow, yeah.
I knew I was gonna get one there. That just felt like a fishy spot. Dude, this rod is nice.
You feel everything. That's what you need. That's what I would do tomorrow. I wouldn't fish deep. I would get a... You wake up early, I'd come out here with a horny toad.
I don't have any.
There's a few back here.
No, those ones are shot. I gotta go in that other room. I have some white ones.
Dude, that's what I would do.
All right, 11 fish.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. To the new subscribers out there, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, the channel. It's freaking snowmageddon. Started the last video in a snowstorm, so why not end this one in another snowstorm? We got like 3 feet of snow in the past month. It sucks. I hate it. I hate Illinois. It is what it is. We're here for now, so make the best of it. Stay tuned for future videos. I have some lined up to be dropping in the next couple weeks. I have some ideas in the bag. Hopefully we get some spring weather here soon so I can get back out on the water and start filming for you guys. But until then, thanks for all the commenting, liking, and subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Tight lines.